Okay, now let's see how do we solve two simultaneous equations using substitution method. We have seen how we use the elimination method. Now let us focus on the substitution method. Now, here this works like this. We make one variable or unknown the subject and substitute in another equation. So if we have two equations, we make one the subject and substitute in another. Then we solve, then we get that value, then we get the other after getting that value of that unknown. So solve the following using substitution method. So instead I have equation 1. So if I call this one my equation 1, x plus y equaling 6. If I call it equation 1, then 2x minus y equaling 6. If I call this equation 2. Now when you look at these variables, you choose the one that is very easy to make the subject. You see here is you either, because this one is, we must also repeat those ones with the coefficient 1s. So in this one is 1 and this one, so either you make the subject will work for you. Then if it was this equation, you saw that here it was easy to make y the subject. So let me use this and make x the subject and I substitute into the other. From here my x will be 6. Now when I take y that side, it becomes minus y. I call this equation 3. Then we say put 3 in equation 2. This one we have used, don't use it again. Now we use this one we have not used it. So from 2 to x minus y equaling 6. Now I'm putting where there is x, I'm putting this. So 2 into now 6 minus x minus y equaling 6. You see where there is x, I'm putting, this is y. Where there is x, I'm putting my substitution there. You see this is x is 6 minus y. So where there is x, I'm putting this. Then open brackets. 2 times this you get 12 minus 2 times this you get 2y minus y equaling to 6. So this when I take this side, I have negative 3y equaling 2. When I take this side, I have 6 minus now a 12. So from here, negative 3y will be giving me negative 6. Divide through my y becomes a 2. So if y is 2, come and substitute from here. From my x equaling 6 minus y, you have both y and 2. Substitute. So that your x is equaling 4 and you have solved it. So this one is very easy. When I come to this now, using this that is very easy to make this the subject. So this one is my equation 1 and this is my equation 2. So I'm going to say using equation 2, I make x the subject. Why? Because it has coefficient 1. It's very easy. So here I have x equaling 2. Now negative 3, take this side, minus 5y. I call this equation 3. Now we put this equation in 1 because we have used equation 2 to get this. To get 3. So now you put 3 in the equation that we have not used it. So I say here, put 3 in 1. So my 1 is 3x minus 2 equaling 8. So where there is x, I'm putting this. I have 3 into now negative 3 minus 5y. Where there is x, I put this. Then minus 2y equaling 8. This will be negative 9 minus 15y minus 2y equaling 8. If we open this side, this negative 9, this side, this negative 15, then minus 2y equaling 8. So take this side, here we have negative 15 minus 2, negative 17y equaling 8. When it crosses this side, it becomes positive now 9. We have negative 17y equaling to 17. Right through, your y will become negative 1. So if we have y as 1, you come back and substitute from my x equaling to negative 3 minus 5y. So my x will be negative, okay, here I will refer from 3. Negative 3 minus 5 into negative 1. So this x will be negative 3 minus negative positive y. So that your x will be 2. So you have solved that simultaneous. Using elimination, substitution. Now when you come to this, now here I'm just going to leave it in the way, then you will complete it. Then here what you do, you make any. the subject because no one, like, we don't have anything with 1. So if I make x the subject, this is 1, this is 2. So from 1, where we have 2x plus 3y equaling 21. So if I make x the subject here, I'll be having 2x equaling to 21. Now this will become 3y. Divided by 2, we want to make x the subject. Divide through by 2. X will be now 21 minus 3y, the whole over 2. This will be equation 3. Now substitute 3. We use the one that we are putting in 2. So put, you say put 3 in 1, in 2. So there I'll be having my 4x plus 5y equaling that 7. So now we are putting x, so 4 into my x over 2, then plus 5y equaling that 7. Where there is x, I'm putting it there. So see by this one, by this 2. So I have 2 into 2, 5y equaling to that 7. Open brackets, this time this we get 42, this time this we get 6y plus 5y equaling to that 7. Take this side, negative 6 plus this, you get, okay, negative 6y plus 5y, we shall get 37. Then when you take this side, it becomes negative that. So this we get negative y equaling to 37 minus 42, we get negative 5. That our y is 5. So if you have y as 5, come and substitute. So from equation 3, my x will be 21 minus 3y over 2, which will be now 21 minus 3 into 5, the whole over 2. So this will be 21 minus 15, the whole over 2. And see that this will give us a 6 over 2. And see that our x there will be 3. And we have solved that. So that's how we handle that, members. I wish you well. Now we are going to see how do we use the graphical method.